Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, we will be discussing about Geographical Indication Tag, that is GI tag. Very important chapter for all competitive examinations. Recent examinations, it had been asked. Please go through whatever the previous year question papers have been given in playlist. Let us start with the GI tag of all states and what exactly the GI tag. The exact giving this type of tag is normally these products are available in respective places and respective the tag has been given because of that genuine, it's a good quality products and goods. So that is the reason of giving the GI tag to the respective places. Like we have in Rajasthan, so as you can see, blue pottery of Jaipur and Katputlis of Rajasthan. As you can see, the Katputlis left top of the left, there is a small doll which is made of that, they are known as Katputlis, and Bikaner Bhuja. So Bikaner Bhuja, these are all famous in GI tags. You can see right side how exactly the picture depicts. You will find this kind of good quality blue pottery as well, Katputlis and Bikaner Bhuja in the place of Rajasthan. Next, if we see that Madhya Pradesh, as you can see the hen, how exactly it looks like, and Bhag prints of Madhya Pradesh and Chanderi fabrics you will find in Madhya Pradesh. Also, these kind of hen, black colored hen, you will find in Madhya Pradesh. That is also given the GI tag for the Madhya Pradesh. And GI tag of Gujarat. So this is one thing, Kutch embroidery Gir Kesar mango. You can see to the right side how exactly the Kesar mango from Talala, that is Gir. Gir is famous for what? Gir National Park, and this type of mangoes are Gir Kesar mango you will find in Gujarat, and Patan Patola also famous in Gujarat. If we come to the Maharashtra, the total we have GI tags, that is 26, and the maximum GI tags you will find in Karnataka. So that plays the topmost, and second is Maharashtra. You can see to the right side Alfonso mangoes. So these type of mangoes are famous in Maharashtra. Nashik Valley wine as well. Nagpur oranges also famous, and we knew that city of oranges, that is Nagpur. Solapur chadar, which are available, and good quality of all these products are available in Maharashtra. If it comes to the GI tags, that is Karnataka, as I had told, total number of GI tags in Karnataka, different products, they are 34. So it is topmost in all the states with the maximum products of 34 GI tags. And second place, that is Maharashtra. Here you can see Mysore silk is very famous. That is the reason silk city of India, Mysore, which is located in Karnataka. And there is a Mysore sandal oil and Mysore sandal soaps you will find maximum in Karnataka only. And Byadgi chilli you will find over there. You can see to the right side Mysore sandalwood, and that is you will find the oil, soaps, wood, powder, everything you will find in Mysore, that is Karnataka. If it comes to the Kerala, you can see to the right side how exactly the different GI tags on the products. Aranmula Kannadi, you can see that from the top to the second, that is Aranmula Kannadi, and Malabar pepper and brass border coconut shell craft of Kerala. These are all there in the, we can see directly where exactly you will find in Kerala. So these are all the products of GI tag which are available in Kerala. When it comes to the GI tag of Tamil Nadu, different products are available in Tamil Nadu. Among them, Kanchipuram silk, Salem fabric, and Tanjavur paintings. I'll make a separate video of paintings as well. Wait for the video. For that, you can subscribe and you can share it to your friends also. This is one thing: Kanchipuram silk, Salem fabrics, Tanjavur paintings, and Swami Malai bronze icons. These are all you will find in Tamil Nadu. this is one thing. Andhra Pradesh GI tag products, Pochampalli Akat, Banganpalle mangoes and Tirupati Laddu and Andhra Pradesh leather puppetry. And this is one thing you have to remember. To the right side there is a small dolls. That dolls are very famous in Andhra Pradesh. What exactly the name of these dolls are? These are the Pochampalli wooden dolls and as well as Banganpalli mangoes and Tirupati Laddu, which is available in Tirumala Tirupati Mandir. So as well as leather puppetry also you will find in Andhra Pradesh. When it comes to the Chhattisgarh, the capital of Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Bastar Dhokra and Bastar wooden craft. You will find this type of craft over there, and as you can see to the right side how exactly the Dhokra of Bastar looks like. They are famous in Chandigarh. When it comes to the GI tag of Odisha Ikat, that is, you have to remember, in Odisha you will have various turmeric as well as sari, and the Orissa Ikat is very famous in Odisha, which has got the GI tag in Odisha. When it comes to the West Bengal, we should remember Rasgulla. So Banglar Rasgulla is very famous and which has got the GI tag. Along with that, Nakshikanta Darjeeling tea. We knew that Darjeeling is located in which place? That is located in West Bengal. So maximum tea is produced in the hilly areas of Darjeeling. Gobind Bhog rice you will find over there. When it comes to the Bihar, most important thing, Madhubani paintings, which are very famous in Bihar, which has got the geographical indication tag. Along with that, Bhagalpur silks are also famous, and Sikki grass crafts, which are very important. You may be asked in examinations, Sikki grass craft is famous in which place? That is Bihar. When it comes to Himachal Pradesh, their Kulu shawl is very famous, and Chamba Rumal Kangra paintings. These are all the products which have got the geographical indication tag of Himachal Pradesh. Very important, guys. All the products whichever have been given, you can have a look. When it comes to the Jammu and Kashmir, saffron, it is very important. Saffron is famous in Jammu and Kashmir and it has got the GI tag. And Kani shawl, Kashmir Pashming, Kashmir Sozani craft you will find in the Jammu and Kashmir. When it comes to the Mizoram, in Mizoram we find Mizo chili, maximum you will find, as well as you can see how exactly different clothes available in Mizoram, which has got the GI tag in Mizoram. When it comes to Tripura, the capital is Agartala, and the GI tags of Tripura, as you can see, Queen pineapple we have over there. This is very important. Queen pineapple is famous in which place? That is in Tripura. The capital is Agartala. So please remember Agartala's Queen pineapple. Then you will find Tripura. Next we have GI tag of Meghalaya. Meghalaya, that is Khasi Mandarin and Momang Narang. Narang is what? That is orange. So orange, Momang Narang, which is famous in Meghalaya. The capital is Shillong. So Khasi and Garo hills also you will find over there. Khasi Mandarin as well as Mamang Narang you will find in Meghalaya. When it comes to the Telangana, we have Hyderabadi Halim. As you can see, it's a mutton halim. It's a food recipe which is famous in Hyderabad, and it has got the geographical indication tag. And Pochampalli sarees also you will find in Telangana. When it comes to the Sikkim, which is very important, Sikkim large cardamoms, you will find this type of cardamom in Sikkim, and very famous spice which is used in the food recipes. So cardamom is famous in Sikkim. When it comes to the Tripura, as well as you have to know respective places of geographical indication, and these northeast states you may be asked this kind of questions. So remember the northeast states. when it comes to the Uttar Pradesh, Banaras brocades and saris are famous in Uttar Pradesh. And Lucknow, we know that the capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow chicken craft is famous, along with the Firozabad glass work. You can see to the right side how exactly the different GI tags and respective products. You can have a look in the internet also. GI tag of Assam, that is Muga silk of Assam, and Assam tea is very famous. Along with that, Eri silk, local liquor, Bora Chawl. So there are different, you can just have a look of respective names, and these are all available in the Assam. Next, when it comes to the Nagaland, the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. In Nagaland, we have Naga Mircha. As you can see to the right side, Naga tree tomato. So tomato and mircha you will find in Naga. Along with that, there is a shawl. That shawl also one of the important product which has got the GI tag. So different tags have been given. As I had told that is one thing, Shafi Lanfi, we call it that shawl. Shafi Lanfi of Nagaland. Next, when it comes to the Delhi, one thing is important in Delhi, the basmati rice. Not only in Delhi, along with the Delhi, there are various places. In Punjab also the GI tag has been given. So at the end of the day, the GI tag of which places are available, then one is Delhi, Punjab and Haryana also will find the basmati rice. And Fulkari, as you can see to the upper portion, the Fulkari of Punjab you will find over there. So Punjab has got Fulkari as well as basmati rice. When it comes to the Haryana, so there also the basmati rice is very famous. So that is the reason GI tag of basmati rice is banned. So next, when it comes to the Goa, we knew that Goa is very famous for what? Liquor. So in Goa, the feni is available. What exactly the feni is? It is carved out of the cashew nut. So overall, this type of feni you will find only in Goa. These are the important GI tags I had compiled and from the various sources. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any kind of queries, you just comment me in the section, or you can call me on 766730 and go and search in current affairs topics where you will find maximum related to the relevant matter. So thank you guys. I hope this will help you a lot. If you have any queries, you can call me. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.